Stir frying is all about speed, balance and texture. But why worry? Philips OneChef hai na? Today, we'll be using the special non-stick cooking pot for this. Press the power button, select Stir Fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press Start. Add oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add chopped garlic, ginger, tender coriander stems and saute for about 2 minutes. Now add the chopped zucchini, baby corn, carrot, light soy sauce, crushed black pepper, salt to taste and saute for 8 more minutes. Now add red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, broccoli, mushrooms, water and honey. Cover with a special glass lid and let cook for 5 minutes. And done! Transfer the stir-fried veggies to a serving dish and serve hot with steamed rice. Dekha? Crisp, vibrant and perfectly balanced. Super easy stir-fried veggies made with a new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.